We came to Lake Windermere. Today is July 27th, but already it is very cold. I need this ultra light down jacket. This place is very quiet and we can hear the sound of the waves, very nice. And sometimes there are ducks playing on the waves. See, you see there, you can see the town near Windermere here. And some people are enjoying boat and yacht. It's really a people's recreation spot. From today, we'll enjoy this area, the Lake District. See you again. Finally, we made it to the top of the Catbells. It's about 450 meters. However, it seems very steep. And there were places where the skills of rock climbing was needed. However, we made effort and we did half and path and finally managed to make it to the top. Can you enjoy these panoramic views from here? We can see the lakes, which is one of the lakes of the Windermere area, Lake District. And also, this is a hilly place as well, so you can enjoy many beautiful hills from here. At the top of the hill, there sometimes comes a bird. Maybe hawks or something. Very good. We take lunch here and then we'll go down. Thank you.